people are hard gainers and some people gain weight easily.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
When it comes to weight gain, it's all about calories, and I say it repeatedly in all my videos. Calories, calories, calories. What amount of calories are you ingesting? What is your calorie surplus? Because your calories are going to be the determining factor of how much weight you are able to gain within a period of time. When we talk about weight gain supplements, we're talking about things like your protein powder, BCAAs, we're talking about whey protein, we're talking about creatine, and I am always emphasizing in all my videos like you need to know which kind of supplements to take, whether it's going to be organic supplements or it's just going to be normal supplements. But whatever the case, whatever you decide, I would always recommend going for organics because some people have to take weight gain supplements within a period of time. Some people are not easily, they don't gain weight so easy. So something that might work for somebody else for 2 weeks, they might have to take it for like a month or maybe more to see results. It varies, okay? So when you're doing something with supplements or when you're trying to approach weight gain via supplements, it's good to always go for organic supplements because with organic supplements, you are able to keep going on and not have any side effects. When it comes to like off-the-shelf supplements or refined supplements, it becomes a problem because you're ingesting so much of these refined things into your system and they have so many downsides. I'm just going to show you what my organic herbal syrup looks like. So this on markets, this is the one I am currently using and that is why it is almost finished. But anyways, there are a lot of these on the market and different kinds and different ingredients. I would say one thing that I know for sure is that every ingredient on the label is what is contained in the syrup. Looking closely, you can see that there are a lot of ingredients on this label and you can also tell that because of that, it is going to have a lot of effect. And I'm not just saying this because it's my brand. I have been using it as well and I can attest to that this has effects. So if you want to go for weight gain supplements, we want to go for things that are organic. And I love it so much because I have come from a weight gain journey of using things like amphetamine, using things like super ABT, using things like, you name them, okay, cyproheptadine, and all the refined syrups. And I've come to a place where I am comfortable now continuing and doing my weight gain journey as much as I want to the target that I want because I am now using herbal and organic things that have no side effects. So it's just amazing, honestly. So whenever it comes to like supplements for weight gain, go for the herbal supplements. There are weight gain powders that are organic. I sell those as well. I also sell the syrups. Going for the organic stuff will save you a lot. It will save you time. It will also save you medical costs because it has no side effects and it will also give you results. So you don't just want to rush into getting the supplements, and please don't think that any supplement is a miracle worker. Let nobody lie to you. For a supplement to work, it will take you at least 14 days. Herbal supplements might ease, you gaining weight in some particular parts, and because they are channeled towards maybe curve enhancements and all of that, but you're going to have to put the work in, okay? You have to do what you have to do to get you what you want to get. So it all depends on what your goals are and the kind of supplement you're willing to take. Organics will always be my go-to, and the ones that I would always recommend are protein powders, creatine, whey powders are really good. Whey protein is actually really good as well. I really don't know much about BCAAs because I've never tried it personally. For herbal syrups, those are really nice and it tastes amazing. Some people are hard gainers and they might have to take a larger quantity of that particular product to get results, whatever supplement that may be. Some people are easy gainers and they don't need so much to have results. And our products actually contain whey proteins, they contain creatine powders and also macaroons. So many awesome supplements contained that would actually help you get to where you need to get in the right amount of time and in the healthy way. Supplements also are supplementing an already present diet. So if you're taking the supplements, like let's say you buy the syrup from me, or maybe you buy the syrup, it wasn't be from me anyways, maybe you buy a syrup and you buy like your protein powder. While you're taking the syrup and protein powder and you're taking just the two of them and nothing else, maybe in a day you take just drinking water and maybe you just cook yourself a little bread and maybe custard. There was somebody that told me they were taking custard with my product, and I was like, custard, and you were expecting results. Like, how funny that was, because like these things are calorie surplus, of course. I agree to that. They're supposed to add to an already present diet. It means in the morning you're supposed to be taking at least maybe a smoothie, and you're supposed to be taking a smoothie within the day, eating healthy, eat rice, eat beans, avocados, eat healthy, and then you supplement what you're eating with the supplements. That way you're able to balance an excess of calories, and in the presence of excess calories is where you begin to gain weight. And how a supplement can actually take you from 0 to 100 real quick, and it does it effortlessly and in a healthy way. So I really would recommend supplements, especially if you have been trying to gain weight for a particular amount of time and you haven't seen any results. I would recommend you trying supplements, because supplements will help you. You need food to be able to have your supplements work. That's just the general conclusion. But then if you want to gain weight in a short amount of time and do it in a healthy manner, going for organic supplements is what you should be doing. And also, make sure you remember that gaining weight also has other factors attributed. You need to stay hydrated, you need to get a lot of rest, you need to exercise from time to time. I always tell you guys to do squats, even if it's 20 squats a day, like it really pays off, okay? To be consistent in taking your supplements. With that, you should be able to see results in a very short amount of time. If you have any questions, I have my WhatsApp contact lines attached to my bio and also in the description. That is it for this video. I am Girl Kenzie, and I make weight gain videos, skincare reviews, and also vlogs. And I'm so happy to have you on my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on your post notification button so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.